also Asokoro. Also the arrival of the special guest of honor, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu
of the armed forces, and particularly the keepers of our home front, the wives are present. Let me first of all say thank you to all of you for keeping us happy and productive both at the job and at home. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and leaders, past leaders here present, we are gathered here today for the groundbreaking ceremony of the Armed Forces Complex. First, as mentioned earlier, let me say thank you to the FCT Minister, Wike, for strategically locating us here. We say thank you. The Armed Forces Complex is to honor the unbroken spirit and dedication of the men and women who serve our great nation. Thank you for that unbroken spirit. Thank you for what you have been doing for the country to keep us safe and building our confidence for a respectable, peaceful Nigeria. On this occasion, we open a new chapter in our nation's commitment to ensuring the safety and security of our people. For all you, the officers, leaders, men and women of armed forces, I stand here to say thank you. Thank you for the improvement we have seen and the security, effectiveness, and the danger you faced most of the time. I follow your news regularly, and I appreciate what you are doing. With pride, I am happy to say the Nigerian Armed Forces is cohesive and coherent and ready to battle all sorts of insurgencies and we will continue to win. I'm deeply moved and filled with pride and gratitude for the men and women who wear the uniform of armed forces, using this to warn those who have raised challenges against our men and women of the armed forces, that under the collaboration, leadership of CDS, CG Musa, whoever, who stand guard with the service chiefs and men against the evil forces that seek to retard our cherished peace and development. I salute you, and I'm ready to back you. You never lost any battle. This one, you will win. And win again. Your dedication, courage, and resilience to protect our freedoms and uphold the very principle upon which our nation was founded is commendable. You exemplify loyalty, excellence in every endeavor, serving as a shining beacon of hope and strength for all citizens. We recognize the burden you bear and the challenges you face. You stand ready to respond to any threat, ensuring peace, stability, and security of our country. One thank you is not good enough. I say thank you, and thank you all over again. It is fitting and a grateful nation honors your sacrifices with state-of-the-art facility that reflects the high standard demanded of you. Under the banner of our Renewed Hope administration, I reaffirm my commitment to building a well-equipped and truly professional military that embodies our nation's pride. In this regard, I have authorized measures to enhance our operational effectiveness, including procuring critical equipment. As many of you know, the facilities housing our defense and services headquarters at Area 10, Gaki, for over 3 decades were intended as a temporary offices. Over the years, our armed forces have continued to adapt to dealing with new threats. The complex has become inadequate and inappropriate for many reasons. The only way to say thank you and encourage you is therefore for us to recognize the necessity of a comprehensive infrastructure development that will reflect the present and future demand of your time. You're safeguarding our nation, and we are protecting our democracy. Once again, thank you. As we break the ground on this armed forces complex, that it symbolizes our nation's respect and administration for your unwavering service and our dedication to providing the resources you need to function better. This edifice, when completed, will not only stand as a center of loyalty, but a national monument that every Nigerian will be proud of. It will be a hub of excellence, re-energizing able leaders who are committed to safety of our citizens. And our nation's economy continue to improve, our armed forces will better be repositioned to respond to the mandates enshrined in our Constitution, ensuring a secure future for our nation and next generation. I am particularly proud to share that our efforts in developing a military-industrial complex have begun to yield positive results. This initiative is driven by significant research and development by the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, the Command Engineering Depot of the Nigerian Army, and the private entities such as EPOL and Proforce have enhanced our domestic defense capabilities. Thus, with great pride and pleasure, I announce the assembly of this displaced tactical mine research ambush protected MARP vehicles and armored personnel carriers produced in Nigeria. It testifies to the advancement pride in our defense sector. These vehicles will not only boost our armed forces' operational efficiency, but will also enhance our economy. Ladies and gentlemen, as we lay the foundation for this complex and set sail on this exciting journey of transformation and renewal, let us also lay down our markers of hope for our service members and their families, hope for the future of our security, and hope for a stronger Nigeria. Together we shall take pride in what we commence building here today. It will be bricks and mortar and a legacy of strength, determination, and unity. This groundbreaking event, coming on the heel of the Armed Forces Remembrance Day, shall be an enduring honor, especially to those who have laid down their lives for the peace and security of Nigeria. It is also an honor for the injured. As your Commander-in-Chief, I pledge to support our troops and their families. With this project, I affirm my commitment to ensure that the first phase, which should commence immediately, is completed in the life of this administration. I therefore call upon each of you to embrace this moment and contribute to the success of this project. Let us move hand in hand. You've shown us good leadership, great synergy, collaboration among various segments of the armed forces, that you can achieve greatness. Nigerians are grateful, and particularly myself, once again, I'm grateful and pleased with what we are doing. Thank you to all of you. Let us move hand in hand with renewed hope forward to a brighter future. We are here. Thank you very much. God bless the armed forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless our men and women in the line of duty. God protect them. May your happiness continue to shine upon Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The ceremonial has just been presented. The next item on the program, Bola Ahmed Tinubu Barracks.
The welfare of men and women in uniform, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, ECM, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on today, 23rd January 2025.
There will be a all right, so the special of receipt of the newly
Good afternoon, sir. Sorry. Bring your hand down, come back. Ahmed, thank you. Speaker, your flash.
Are we good?
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
Who is counting?
3, 4, 5.
You are good.
Thank you.
Very much, Excellent.
Papa Juliet, ya kabarin Lukman ya shiga duk zaman mu da shi hoto na ɗaya ne kai a wurin shi.
Lukman.
Zama da biyan sun saka abin da ya mai da kai ba. Aka samu nan biyu ɗin nan yana da.
Okay.
hannunka